Greetings, one all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Alrighty, so I basically just introed my own video on my own video. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk about why I made a couple of comments about not being able to go out to forest camp, and I thought I would record something real quick. So what I did is I went over to Google Maps. Here it is right here. I love Google Maps for exploring and showing some areas. Now, this over here, where the mouse pointer is where a forest camp is, somewhere in this area. The reason I can't always get out there is because, let's see, I need a, no, not that one. Need a square. We'll do yellow. I need a bit bigger brush though. There we go. So, right about here, there's a parking space. There's only one parking, no actually, undo. How do you go back? Where is it? Oh, damn it. There used to be a way to just undo. Sorry. There used to be a way just to undo a something that you just did. They must have changed it. Oh, here it is. So I think it's actually right here. There's a spot right here where I park my car. So there's nowhere else to park. Now right here there's a gate, and but this is like a state, it's a gated area, but it's like a state thing. So I can't park my car there because they would tow it. This is a parking space here. In fact, I've actually camped in this area here before. There's an outhouse right here. There's, you know, river access where I've actually filtered water down at this beach here. But if someone is camped, someone happened to be camped there today, and they also happen to be camped here today too. So there's nowhere else on the road to go camp, to go park my car. Oh, and there's camping along here too, but it was also taken. So there was nowhere to park my car. So when that happens, I'm not able to get out to forest camp, which is, I think it's right here. So what I do is I park my car here, and it could be up here too. Well, it could be right here as well. I actually think it's right here. It's right where the river bends. Hang on. So here's the water. Let's see. No, I think I was right. Anyway, basically forest camps in this area, give or take, as I'm giving away my secret area. But if someone's camped in these areas here, I can't get out to forest camp. So that's basically the short answer. Up the road, there's nowhere to park. You know, there's nowhere to park up the road, and then there's a campsite up here that, you know, but someone's there, I can't park there either. And then there's a turnoff road, but, you know, then I have to hoof it all the way down the street. But then on my cars, you know, kind of, I'm not able to access my car. I think that's the right place. So, anyway, that was kind of a quick reason why I'm not able, you know, no one's really asked, but I thought I would throw a quick video out and talk about why it is I can't get out to my camp, my preferred camp, because this is where the area I like to go, because I don't think people are willing to hoof it in out here. It might actually be up here. It might be right here actually, because it's, you know, because I got that, excuse me, thicker area. But anyway, if yeah, I don't think people are willing to carry their stuff all the way back up here into the water area, which is where I like to go because people aren't there. So again, someone was there again today, which I just shot another video where I was just ranting about all the trash, which is back here, which is a great spot, but man, there was just so much garbage. Yeah, see, this is another Forest Service road that's back down the road, but it's currently closed off. There's a big gate there, so you can't even go down that road because the road is washed out in like two places. I think that's the right road. Unless it's back a ways. No, that should be it, because there's a river crossing right immediately right after. I don't remember there being such a sharp turn though. Well, anyway, so the road might be washed out up here, which is, or maybe here. No, it can't be there. Well, whatever. The side road here is washed out, so there's like 20 to 30 campsites that can't be accessed. So, because I've actually driven clear up this road. I don't remember what video it was. I'd have to look for it. But, you know, I've driven all the way out here just exploring with my truck to see where it went. So, I think it ended up as a dead end, like here or up here, and I didn't want to go any farther. So I just turned around. It's a great way to find areas to go camp at, because I get a lot of questions like, where do you find your camp spots? Well, you know, check out my video on how I explore campsites, and you can use tools like this just at your disposal to look for places to go. Now, I've never actually hiked down this river because it looks like there's some bare spots, like here and here. So maybe that'll be like a day. I'll just go trekking down there. Maybe it's a day outing. And this whole big clearing, I don't know how to get up there. I know there's like an old road that goes up, so it might connect to this, but I don't see any. I think there's a road here, but it's gated off, or there's boulders in front of it, so you can't drive in there. So, but if you're willing to hoof it, I mean, you can walk up there and just. I like being by the water, so. So anyway, I guess I'll end it there. I might throw the link in the video description, the video I did on how I find places to camp on Google Maps. And yeah, I just want to do a quick video on why I haven't been able to get to forest camp, because it's just been busy lately. So. This is National Forest. I love Google Maps. It's so handy. You just find a place, zoom in till you get to a Forest Service road. You know, when you see it on the road, just pull over, follow the road, see where it goes. Might end up at a really cool campsite, like a nice big clearing here, nice big clearing here. I mean, it doesn't mean that they're campable, but go out for the day, you know, leave in the morning, go out, just do some scouting for the day, make some notes, turn here, turn left there, get back out there. This looks like it ends. So, anyway, I guess that'll help you out a little bit. Maybe answer, if anybody's been wondering why it is I'm not able to get out some places, or why I haven't been out at forest camp. Yeah, that's kind of why. Ooh, 9 minutes. Oh, almost 10. Trailhead right here. Never hiked it. But you can also see how far trails go too. Like those looks like a little lake here right next to that trail. If you're willing to hoof it out there, actually a couple lakes. Greenwater Lakes. I bet you could backpack out there. So it looks like a long trail too. Looks like it ends like in here. It's not on the map anymore. So there's Lost Creek. Alright, well it's been 10.5 minutes. Like 5 minutes longer than I expected, but you know it happens. Alright. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.